Hello everyone, welcome back to Amazing TV. Today I'm going to show you the answers for Project Dynamo. Due to public demand, so many people have been requesting me to show them the answers. And today I'm going to post the answers for all the questions of Project Dynamo in Handshake AI. So follow very keenly, and I'm very sure you're going to pass the first part of assessment. So as everyone has been able to follow my previous video where I posted the criteria on how to work on Project Dynamo, but many people have been asking me if I can provide them with the answers. So today I'm going to share the answers of the project. Let me go direct to the questions. So this is the first question of Project Dynamo. Although in my screen here, the first question is not clearly, but which defects are present in the task? So that is the first question of Project Dynamo. Now, for the first question, let me show you the answer. You will click. So the answers for question 1, you are supposed to tick the task.tml. So the green ones are the correct answers. So you're supposed to tick the answers with the green parts. And then you are supposed to leave unchecked the ones with the black dots. So in the first question, click the answers correctly. Don't mess up. The ones which are written in green are correct one to be checked in or to be clicked. But the ones with the black color are supposed to be left unclicked or unchecked. So that is the answer for question 1 of Project Dynamo. This is question 2. This is question 2. And you are supposed to answer within the boxes. So this is what you'll see in question 2. And this is the answer for question 2. Just copy the way it is. Don't misquote anything. Just the way it is, and I paste in that box. Just the way it is. Just this one. Copy this one. This is the answer for question 2. Let me go to question 3. This is question 3. This is how question 3 will look like. Paste the complete file and the not any file you removed from the viewed context. So in this box here, this answer box, you're going to paste this answer. Just from the word from all the way to .log, paste this answer. See, this is the answer for question 3. Let me go to question 4. This is question 4. No, this is the question 3 answer. Just paste it the way I have pasted it here. Question 3. Just make sure that the question is correct, and paste the answer. This is how you are supposed to paste question 3 answer. So let me go to question 4. Why is the original verifier bad? So that is question 4. You're going to paste the answer within the box, and here is the answer. The answer is this one. From original test all the way to path. Just copy it the way it is and paste in that box. You'll get it correct. So this is Yeah, just this one. Let me show you. I'll be showing you how to paste it. Yes, this is how to paste it. Yeah, in that box. Just copy and paste it. Yes, this is question 5. Just make sure that once you open the Project Dynamo, you are going to check if the questions are correct. Yes, so you'll see a question corrected verifier, and within this box, this will be the answer. Import all the way to HTML. So that is the answer. Just copy the way it is. Just copy the way it is, and you are going to get it correct. Yes, this is how you will paste it. This is how you will paste it. Yes. Let me go to question 6. Let me go to question 6. This is question 6, which is basically rewrite instruction.md. Within this box, this is the answer. This is the answer for that question. Just make sure that you have the correct question and paste the answer. This is how you will paste that answer. This is how you will paste the answer. Rewrite instruction.md. This is how you will paste the answer. Let me go back so that you can see the question again. This is the question. This is the answer from a patch style all the way to task. Just copy the way it is. Let me go to next question. You'll just confirm the questions within your project assessment. Step 3, summarize what was broken and why. This is the question. This is the question, and here is the question for that. Yes, it's a long summary. So this is the answer for that. Just ignore the other sections that you are not able to understand the language, or just focus on questions and answers. Don't focus on how I was chatting with the person. So this is the answer. This is the answer for this question. And this question is summarize what was broken and why. So this is the answer for this. From format all the way to sec. This is how you will answer it. Just paste the question this way, the answer this way. Let me go to next. The next question is this one. Passing verifier output from your fixed task. This is the next question, and this is the answer for that question. You'll copy first. You'll copy this section first, and you copy this section and paste. Then come again and copy this section and paste within the same box. Within the same box. So these are the answers for this question. Because the question, you'll notice that the question has two parts. Paste the reward.text plus CTRF summary for both. So in that box, you're going to paste these two answers. The next question, yeah, this is how you'll do it separately. Yeah, this is not how you'll do it separately. This is the next question. Prove your verifier catches a wrong solution. In this box, you'll post this answer. This is the answer for that box. This is the answer for that box. This question, Here is the answer. Here is the answer. This is the answer. Next question. And that one will be the last question in part 1 assessment. Then after you answer that section, you are going to create a GitHub link so that you can post at the last question of your assessment. How will you do it? First of all, you log in into your GitHub account. Then after you log in, you click create repository. Click create repository. Then after you create, yes, click create. As you can see my directions here. Click create repo. Then after you click, you'll see this page, repository name. Just write the name Project Dynamo. This is how you write that name, Project Dynamo. After you write that name, you can write few description about the project. Whatever description you want, you can just write it. Then after that, just scroll down, and you'll find somewhere written submit or create. Just click create, and you'll see somewhere you either submit or create the repository just below this page. Once you create, copy that link. The link will look like this one, github.com / whatever name, Project Dynamo. This is how you will create the link. You will copy the link. After you copy this link, you will paste it here. This is where you will paste the link. This is where you will paste the link and click submit. Once you click submit, you will wait between 1 to 2 minutes, and you will see this page analyzing your answers. Then after you see this, you will just wait for around 2 minutes. Once you submit your answers, this is what you will get. You passed the assessment. Thank you so much for watching my channel. In the next video, I will upload the next part of assessment. But if you want to get all these answers, just text me. I'll forward them to you, but at a fee, not free. But basically, I'm just showing you how to answer the first part of Project Dynamo. Welcome back, and keep following me, subscribing, clicking the notification bell, so that once I post the project, anything to do with the Project Dynamo, you're the first person to get the notification. I'll keep posting so that I can guide each and everyone how to pass the assessment, how to submit their first project, and how to get paid. Thank you, and I will see you very soon.